Now this guy is going to host his map, which is bootleg. It's now 12:04. And I'm sure he's going to start it up like a goon. You see it's supposed to be a bootleg. Oh, they got his teammate now. And they're starting up terminal. And we're going to leave because they're fucking goons. Leave game, kid. Fuck them. Not recording all this shit for nothing. Send him a message. Like I said, bro, got it all in the PVR, man. So, actually, like I said, bro, got it all in the Dazzle, man. So, deal with that, and it's still all recording. So, anyway, peace, kid. Good job for starting up your map, too. Alright, man. Well, like I said, good luck with your dispute. And this is my second account. I got a 1K, so I've played GB before, bro. I'm definitely not afraid to dispute and get an easy win. So, thanks, kid. Peace. They won't start up their map. Basically saying, go ahead and dispute. Because they were only 2 minutes late. No, that's bullshit. This is fucking annoying. You're right. I do have proof of you saying that you're going to play man down 2 minutes after the fucking time. And it's all on my Dazzle. So, good job for pointing that out there, you fucking goof. Peace. Fucking shitties. Invited me to play the game again. Let's go see if they're going to play bootleg. Could join, let's see if they'll play bootleg. I got all this on record. I'm going to upload it anyway. As you see, the match is 12:08 now, so they should have bootleg started by now, and they're starting up terminal again. And that's all I need, basically. So, anyway, community, they're fucking goofballs. Yeah. And 12:08 is definitely too long for him to be waiting. That's another 5 minutes from him starting up bootleg. So, GG.